post if you would be interested to see kitchen that is actually being in progress, but it's almost there, to show you everything that we've done in here, and I've got so many great responses. Let me show you what we've got so far. Well, me and my husband had a certain idea about this kitchen, and there are stuff that we absolutely love about it, but there are stuff that we actually don't like. We see this as a, I would say, temporary kitchen, because in the long run we would like to build our own place. But for now, this is what we could do. I will also insert, you wouldn't believe how this looked before. I'll try to find a picture to insert or video the kitchen how it looked before. And yeah, this whole place now doesn't have anything to do with how it used to be. So the height is a bit much more higher than I hoped I wanted to be, unfortunately. Anything beyond 88 centimeters in a kitchen for me, it's not working because I'm so small, but I'll manage. This is basically how it looks like. Obviously we do miss certain parts of the kitchen, and hopefully we'll put them soon. So here is supposed to go our oven and microwave, and because we do have a wall in here, I did find a oven that it's pretty cool, that you can pull its door inside. It's pretty cool. Here we're gonna put microwave. One thing that I absolutely love, let me show you this. The idea was black and white for this kitchen with gray elements in it, but we will put a lot of gold when it comes to the rest of the space, which we haven't decorated yet. But what I do love about this pipe, I like the material and matches our sink, and actually you can pull this down and wash everything that you need. I really think that's convenient. And then also you can just put it back, and I really like this system. Also, of course, you can move it around. Initially I wanted a bigger sink, but this one works just fine for now. We were limited on a space. Old kitchen was just from this corner right here till there, and everything was just in here. So we closed the window in here so we could have this L shape. And the pantry, it will be here, and we will have a lot of additional space in here. And here we have our fridge. What I do like, I didn't even think about it because it goes inside, because here we have a wall. So to open this, I didn't even think about it, but it's so convenient because you can take this handle and just open the fridge. That is pretty cool. Again, we do have black detail underneath. And this is our little alien. I think this is so cool, so it tells you where it's at. This is our dishwasher. If you hear any noise, that's what's going on. We have to change its handle. I wanted to, like, it has to go where the edge is ending. It can't stay like this. And I didn't want a silver one, so we have to find a different one. It has to be white. And I'm gonna show you once this my little alien finishes how it actually, I didn't realize that it opens by itself. It's pretty much cool. It's actually pretty cool how it works and how it opens. So I see this as a trial for a future kitchen that we're gonna build. It's going to be like so much bigger, hopefully, with the island and everything, because still this is not enough space for when I'm cooking, and I'm cooking a lot actually since I moved in here. So one thing that I wanted to show you that I absolutely love, look at this. So I think this is called Lazy Mary, I think. If not, I'm gonna be so embarrassed. I don't even know why they call it that way, but it opens like this. It's pretty cool. Same here. And let me show you a different angle. So this is how it opens up. It's pretty cool. And this is so convenient for when I'm cooking, because the oven, it's right here. Another thing that I absolutely love is how huge these shelves actually are, and you can put so much in here. One thing I find inconvenient is that the first one opens here, the second one, the third one opens in here, which I find really inconvenient. I would prefer this one to open here, but it was something just I didn't think through. There was so many other stuff that we were working on, but for now, for the next time, I'll know every single detail now. What I do love is these tiles pattern. I think it's so cool because we do have in here this really interesting detail, specific shape. One thing I would change though is how the connection between them is so wide. I would put this really thick. Either that or I would put regular glass. These shelves are here are bigger and these ones are just regular. One thing again, for me this is too high. I would put this at least here for my size. For Peter this is great. He's much taller than I am.